Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great large sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2004 Maybach 57. This Maybach is powered by rear-wheel drive 5.5-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 81,531 miles. Experience unmatched luxury with this 2004 Maybach 57. Sleek design, opulent interiors, and impeccable performance await. Drive a piece of automotive history, your ticket to elegance and status. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity. This pre-owned 57 comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with heated steering wheel, heated windshield, air suspension, climate control. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.